Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw a human character like Crow. And before we start, make sure you subscribe because I'm going to be giving away an iPad or an iPhone once I reach 50,000 subscribers. So make sure you subscribe and let's make this happen guys. And let's fucking do this. Let's start. First thing that you have to do is think what you want to draw, and once you know it, grab your sketchbook and start sketching. And remember to start with basic shapes and before adding details. And don't be scared to erase something that you don't like.
Siempre un perdón, no te mentí. Ya no hay nada que me asombre. Malo porque siempre confío en ti. Y te conozco solo el nombre.
So sketch is done, so it's time to ink our drawing. And to ink our drawing, I'll be using Le Pen, and the size of the tip is 0.5 and 1.0 mm. And first thing that you have to do is do the basic lines, and after that do the thicker lines.
Oh, that's ISO? Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Fucking my posters, say now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm, yeah. Tell them all to move on, yeah. Fucking my posters, say now, they be lost in the sauce, yeah. Took a loss, that's your loss, yeah. Had to get my point across, yeah. Heard them lasers talking now and we don't pay that no mind.
So sketch is done, so I don't need my pen anymore. And now it's time to color our drawing, and I'll be using Copic markers. And first thing that you have to do is when you start coloring, make sure you start with light colors, and then after that with darker colors.
Came through dripping Aquafina, I'm sipping 15, kept a weapon on me. Flow make digits, I'm on my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be. Crew in the cut, hey, you want us, red run when I tell a bit peace. Love is love. Love is love. Bendo with the switch again. Boy deliver like he heffin'.
And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to see more videos like this.
I got what you need, baby. Skirt the Chevy, make a scene, baby. LABB been the team, baby. Big Papa, word the G, baby. Look, labs till I'm finished. Had a handful of lemons through the hand. Got a bag, now the hands in the business. For my hand, it's a ticket. Talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. I've been playing with the minutes that they been shoulda gave, and I'm flipping every digit that they been shoulda paid. Had to find a way to get it. Know this isn't what you made. If I ever wanna dip, then I'm brink with the blade, and I'm brinking a blink on the brink of some dumb shit. Watch how I move, cause I know the brink's coming. Watch for the blues, cause I know that they dumping. Nothing in my view, so it's hush on discussion. Hush on discussions, you know what you need to. I keep it in the fam to let you know that I don't need you. Y'all cats be see-through, head not the piece. You been king, I'm regal, got it in my Abisu. Came through dripping Aquafina, I'm sipping 15, kept a weapon on me.